Wow, thank you, Nastya.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't look.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Yay!
Wow, what a big surprise for me!
Happy birthday
to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, go!
Let's open the first present! What's inside? A doll! He has ears and tail and beautiful clothes.
Yay!
Look what a handsome boy. Let's open the next present. Victoria's Secret? It's a pajama. Awesome. I already want to try it on. I really like it. Next present is a set of perfumes.
Yay!
Smells really good. What's in the next present? What is this? Oh, it's Apple Watch! And 3 different color belts.
Wow!
Look how cute they are.
Yay!
Which one to pick? Yellow! I'm so happy! What's next? What is this? Oh, it's a mini printer! I wanted it so much!
Wow!
And here we have Dragon Mask!
Open your mouth.
Make a wish.
Wow!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. But the bigger surprise, it's arrived to Disneyland!
Yeah! Let's go, let's go, let's go! We are going to Disneyland!
Go, 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 go!
Look, it's Mickey and Goofy!
How cool!
How beautiful it's here!
Oh, but hot!
So cute.
Look at these cute ears!
Yes!
I'm Minnie! Let's go to the slides. We are ready.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I like this hat. Spin, spin, spin. This looks fun. How hot.
Hello, guys.
Here you can find slides for adults. And some are for babies.
Let's go, let's go. Wow.
Look, this is Aladdin. And this is Pinocchio.
Hello, guys.
And this is Woody.
Yay.
And this is Mermaid Ariel. Let's go on having fun. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna go on that. Danny loves to go on rides on horses. They even have Mr. Potato Head.
Wow, I like this slide.
And at the end, there were fireworks. It was a wonderful day.
Subscribe and like.
Mini kids! Hello guys! Today we make challenge
Pink slime.
versus blue slime.
I like pink color.
And I like blue color. Do you like blue color? Like.
No. Do you like pink color? Like.
Wow! Blue water! Go! Oh! Blue slime!
Pink slime.
Let's see what is in Stacy's school bag.
Okay, answer.
Okay.
Please. Wow.
Funny eyes. I'm second. Whoa! Blue pencil. Oh. Okay, let's go in slime. Bye bye.
Bye too.
What next? It's pencil sharpener.
It's pink lobster.
It's a blue duck. Quack quack. Pencils. Quack 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 quack. I think duck wants to swim. Duck.
Lobster is pink.
Wah 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 wah.
1, 2, 3. Wow.
Nail polish.
No, it's marker.
Oh, really markers? I think blue favorite color.
No, pink favorite color.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Next round.
Very beautiful glitter.
It's blue text character. Bye. Mini kids.
Glitter slime. So beautiful. Wow.
Big pencil case. What is blue? This blue lipstick. It's not lipstick.
This is eraser.
Nice eraser. Go to slime. Go to slime. Go to slime. Yeah. Next. Crazy marker. It's macaroni.
It's scotch tape.
This is blue marker. Go, 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 go! Blue scissors. Wink, 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 wink. Nasty, Asian slime.
No.
Okay, subscribe and like.
Bye bye.
Do you like blue color? Like.
No.